In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the filter function in Google Sheets. This handy tool allows you to sift through data effectively and display only the information you need, making your spreadsheets much more manageable and efficient. Let's dive in and explore each step you need to follow to utilize this function to its full potential. First, start by opening up Google Sheets. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your Google account because you'll need access to Google Drive to use Google Sheets. Once you're in, you can either create a new spreadsheet or open an existing one that you'd like to work on. For the purpose of this tutorial, have a sheet ready where there's some sample data you want to filter. With your Google Sheet open, navigate to the specific cell where you want to apply your filter function. Let's say it's cell F2. Click on cell F2 so it's active and ready for you to enter the formula. Now that you've selected the cell, it's time to type in the filter formula. You do this by entering the formula EPS filter B2 D C2 C F1. Essentially, what this formula is doing is creating a filter over a range of data located in cells B2 through D based on the criteria set in column C matching cell F1. Ensure that the ranges and the criteria you specify in your formula correctly correspond to the data you're working with, as these parameters are crucial for the desired outcome. Once you've carefully input the formula, hit the Enter key. This action will execute the formula you've just written, and you should see the results immediately populate into the selected cell or range. If everything is set up correctly, your data should be filtered based on the criteria specified. Next, to finalize the filtering process, click on cell F1. This cell contains the criteria for filtering. It's important because it allows you to set or change the condition you want your data to meet to appear in the results. When you click on this cell, you might notice a drop-down list. Finally, go ahead and select an option from the drop-down list in cell F1. This list should offer several choices depending on the data you've entered there. Choosing one of these options will instantly update the filter function, displaying data according to the new criteria. And there you have it. These are the steps to successfully use the filter function in Google Sheets, a powerful way to manage and analyze your data with ease. Remember, filtering is an excellent way to focus on the specifics without distractions from extraneous data. Thank you for watching, and make sure to practice with different data sets to really harness the power of the filter function.